distant destroyed planet offers a hint of planet Earth's terrifying future. Astronomers have revealed that a planetary fragment destroyed by the death of its star offers an apocalyptic prophecy into our Earth's future. Earth has orbited the Sun at our solar system center for 4.5 billion years. Our nearest sun star is responsible for life on Earth existing due to the huge amount of energy it emits. However, scientists discovered the Sun will also play a role in Earth's death following the latest analysis of the planetary fragment 410 light years away. The distant chunk of heavy metal continues its orbit around a collapsed star dubbed SDSS in the Virgo constellation. And the small celestial object spotted by University of Warwick of the UK, researchers believe to be the remnant of a planet decimated by the death of its own star. Scientists have only witnessed evidence of such a planetary fragment circling a white dwarf star once before, and their findings paints an apocalyptic prophecy of our planet's future. When a star is about to die, it expands, eating up everything in its path. In the Earth's case, scientists say it most certainly will one day be destroyed as the result of the eventual death of our Sun in about 5 billion years. Dr. Christopher Manser, study co-author, said, as stars age, they grow into red giants, which clean out much of the inner part of their planetary systems. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box. And this is a depiction here of a red giant. So, in our solar system, the Sun will expand up to where the Earth currently orbits and will wipe out Earth, Mercury, and Venus in doing this. Mars and beyond will survive and will move further out. Some stars that reach the end of their life cycle exit in a more violent burst of energy called a supernova. It's an explosion that forms a black hole or a pulsar. While others continue to expand, consuming their hydrogen reserves will eventually, until eventually that's all that's left is a white dwarf. Additionally, planetesimals orbiting dwarf stars could potentially collide with one another. This raises the possibility they could merge to form a new planet. Professor Lisa Kaltenegger of Cornell University's Carl Sagan Institute observed, "This paper puts the first puzzle piece in place to determine how planets could form around young white dwarfs from planetesimals. After the white dwarf cools down further, such a planet could maintain balmy conditions for billions of years." But although the thought of Earth sharing a similar fate is ominous, mankind needs not fret. This is because estimates of the Sun's longevity show that our star will likely last another 5 to 6 billion years. But if you see the video before this one, every 1 billion years, the Sun gets hotter 10%. So they gave an estimate of only 1 billion years life surviving on the planet as we know it, because of the water will evaporate. Anyway, this is because estimates of the Sun's longevity will last another 5 to 6 billion years. The team of researchers from the University of Warwick were able to spot the planetesimal using a cutting-edge Gran Telescopio Canarias located off the coast of Africa in the Canary Islands. A method called spectroscopy was used, involving shining a laser beam on high-pressure mixtures, then analyzing the patterns of scattered light to reveal the structure of the object. In this case, it marked the first time that scientists have used spectroscopy to discover a solid body in orbit around a white dwarf, according to the University of Warwick. Professor Boris Gansik, co-author of the study, said, "The planetesimal we have discovered is deep into the gravitational well of the white dwarf, much closer to it than we would expect to find anything still alive. If it was pure iron, it could survive where it lives now, but equally it could be a body that is rich in iron but with internal strength to hold it together, which is consistent with the planetesimal being a fairly massive fragment of a planet core. This is by Tom Fish Express UK on Blended Reality. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support.